In this video, guys, we're going to talk about how you can earn $250 a day plus using Bitget's brilliant copy trading feature. It's by far one of the best copy trading features I've used amongst many crypto exchanges. If you're new to Bitget, it's a trading platform normally within the top 10 in terms of trading volume. They've been around for some time. Very good platform, not just for copy trading, but for usual normal futures and spot trading as well. So without any further delay, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start earning cryptocurrency passively through their copy trading feature, how you can manage your risk so you can be fully in control of what you allocate to each trade. Guys, without any further delay, let's get into the video. Leave a like if I provide value. And of course, there are chapters in the timeline down below, so you can skip forward, rewatch something, and let's get started. So first things first, guys, you'll need a Bitget account to get started. This is super easy. It literally takes 20 seconds. In fact, in the video description down below, just for our community, we have up to 5,000 USDT bonus when you make a deposit. There's no KYC, so it's super easy to use. And of course, when you click on this link, it will bring you to our exclusive Marzell money page where you can earn up to $5,000 bonus. It's a tiered bonus structure, and this link will tell you exactly how to claim those bonuses. So once you've set up your Bitget account, you'll need to make a deposit so you can start copy trading or indeed trading by yourself if that's something you're also interested in doing. You simply go to assets, you click on assets, click on deposit, and then you can make a deposit easily either using Bitcoin, you can use USDT, Ethereum, and many other different cryptocurrencies. Let's say, for example, you wanted to deposit Bitcoin. You would click on Bitcoin, click Bitcoin here, the chain is Bitcoin, and you can simply use that wallet address. That is your Bitget Bitcoin wallet address. You can either copy and paste it from where you're sending the cryptocurrency from, or you can hover over this and it will give you your QR code. If anyone wants to send me some Bitcoin, you can scan that code. I'm kidding, guys, but it's super easy to deposit. That also literally takes 20 seconds to initiate, and then you'll probably have to wait about half an hour for the cryptocurrency to arrive, depending on what cryptocurrency you're depositing. The quickest one to do, if you have it, is USDT. You click on USDT, and I would suggest using the Tron TRC20 network. Of course, if it's a wallet that only supports ERC20, the one you're sending it from, that's the next best option. And it's the same thing. You copy the wallet address, or you can hover over for your QR code. Of course, guys, make sure you're sending cryptocurrency to the right type of wallet. If you're sending USDT, make sure you send it to USDT wallet. If you're sending Bitcoin, send it to the Bitcoin wallet. So the next step, which is really important after you've made your deposit, is to go to assets, you go to transfer, and you'll need to transfer the crypto you just deposited in your wallet into your coin margin account. That's the account you'll be using for copy trading, and you can use that account for doing your usual trading as well if you're going to be trading yourself. So now we can move on to the copy trade feature on Bitget. You'll find it in the middle of the menu bar here. You'll click onto it, and the first page that's going to come up is this one, Top Traders. It's done by ranking. The first thing you'll notice is many of these, if not all of these, are full. You can't copy these guys because they have the maximum amount of followers following them at this present moment. The reason for that is they are some of the most profitable, top-ranked principal traders on their platform. But don't worry, if there's one of them that you really like, you've gone through the filters, which I'm going to touch upon in a minute, you really like them as a principal trader, for example, this guy Owens, you can click onto them and you can set a slot reminder, which is essentially a notification for when they become available, when you can follow them. So click remind me, and it's going to send you an email reminder once if they become available through the app, and you'll get an email as well. But of course, we need to find someone that we want to follow, that is someone that we can trust in based on the previous trading activity, their profitability, or any of the other filters that they have. So the easiest way to get started here is by clicking hide full to get rid of all the ones that aren't available to copy trade. So you can filter it down again. Let's say you were most conscious about ROI, return on investment, and you can see now some principal traders that do have the availability to follow. And for example, maybe we really like this guy, 4 Horsemen. So we can see his ROI and you can see his total P&L. And without just clicking follow, you can actually click onto their profile to look a little bit deeper before you commit to copy trading them. So with this guy, for example, you can see that he only trades Bitcoin and Ethereum. That might suit you. Some of the other principal traders might have many other different cryptocurrencies, but you can usually have the option to select and deselect the ones you're comfortable trading with. Now, you can also see a chart of their P&L, and you can filter it by the last 7 days, the last 3 weeks, last 1 month, or even in the last 24 hours. Of course, their total income and the breakdown of their trading between the Bitcoin tether pair and the Ethereum tether pair. So you get a really good idea of what kind of trader they are, and then you can click onto their orders. Now, this particular trader has these orders open at the moment. This is the history, they're the ones that they've recently closed, and these are their copy trades that are existing at the moment. So you can see exactly what they've been up to, what they're trading right now, and what they have been trading historically as well. So let's say we were comfortable trading with 4 horsemen. We wanted to copy them or follow them. You would click follow here, and this brings me on to the next bit of the copy trading feature, which is the risk management and basically setting up some capital to trade alongside this principal trader. So in order to follow this guy, you're going to be automatically giving an 8% share, but you know, because they're profitable and this is completely passive for you and I, that seems to me like a fair profit share. Let's say we're comfortable trading Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you weren't, you could deselect one of them. For example, if you only want to do Ethereum or if you only wanted to do Bitcoin. But in this instance, we're comfortable trading Bitcoin and Ethereum. So this is the follow mode. This is going to be the maximum exposure you have to risk, what you're going to be putting in per trade. Let's say we were comfortable putting in 200 margin. So that doesn't necessarily mean $200 of your own money. It can be leveraged, but let's say it was 200. You can set it all the way up to 3,000, but for argument's sake, let's just put around $200 or $250 in this instance. You can select a different follow mode, and the 2 modes are fixed amount, which I just showed you. The next option is multiplier, and this basically allows you to leverage the principal trader's trade. So let's say they traded $10 and you were on a multiplier. You could actually set, for example, a leverage to that. Let's say 10x leverage. And if they traded $10, you would be trading $100. So that is sometimes a good option depending on what kind of trader you are, depending on your own risk tolerance. But most importantly, the great thing about the Bitget copy trading feature, it allows you further risk management. So if you click on this arrow here, and by the way, you don't have to set it, it is optional, but if you want to, it actually allows you to put a stop loss ratio here and a take profit ratio, and also a maximum follow amount. So let's say we were happy with that, you can press confirm, or if you didn't see the need to put in the risk management, because you don't have to. The most important thing really is that the fixed amount is a set amount that you're comfortable with, or the multiplier is a set amount you're comfortable with. You press next, and then you can simply press confirm, and you will be following that principal trader. So there's no amount of maximum principal traders you can follow, but of course, bear in mind your risk management. Just put down an amount that you're comfortable with allocating to each trade. And of course, guys, once again, if you haven't already signed up, the link in the video description down below will get you up to 5,000 USDT bonus. There's no KYC. And of course, you can use this link. It's going to direct you to this page, which is my exclusive bonus page. I don't get paid for making these videos, but this is an affiliate link. I will earn a bonus, as will you, when you sign up with this. So if you found value, please give us a like. Please share this video. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. And make sure you're subscribed and turn the bell on for future videos. I talk about TA, price predictions daily, and many other informative trading tip type videos and content. Thanks for joining me, guys. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.